Hey guys, Clayton here at Webb Aviation. Got a beautiful day. We're about to go do the bobber drop there at Canton Lake this afternoon. So got Bo behind on the camera, got Mark Fuquay. Just showed up here with the bobbers and we're about to go dispense them over Canton Lake. So if you guys are out there boating, fishing, if you got your net available, stick it out there, wave it at us, and we'll try to swing over and get you a bobber drop. Back to you.
Just amazing how different everything looks up here.
Got our first one waving. Wind might blow it to him right about right now, maybe. Oh yeah. This guy got that out. This first net we've seen. Yep, we gotta go hit the net. They're waving. Got their towels low. I'm over here.